Today I'm gonna teach you how to make an easy gluten-free dessert with just 5 ingredients. For this recipe, you're gonna need milk, sugar, water, condensed milk, egg yolks, and 2 eggs. All the sugar in a medium pan, and we will start with high heat. So you can see the sugar is start to melt. So we're getting there. So now the caramel, the sugar is totally melted, and then now we are gonna add water, and then here I'm gonna reduce the temperature a little bit more, and you're gonna add the water slowly. Slowly add the water and keep stirring. And let the water evaporate.
So just boil it off?
Yeah. For a few minutes. It will take a few minutes, so you don't want it to be too liquid, so you need the water to evaporate a little bit more.
How do you think it's going so far, Willis?
Oh, Pops, I think that's okay, Pops.
And see if this is the point that you want. Look. So this is the test that you're gonna make. So you see here, it's not too liquid, but it's not too thick, because I don't want it to be too thick as well. So it's just the right consistency now. Once the caramel is ready, you're gonna put it into your pan. It needs to be a pan with a hole in the middle, so a bunded cake pan. And then you're gonna pour your caramel in the pan. And then while you let it harden, you're gonna preheat your oven at 180 degrees. And do it slowly.
Oven.
Okay. Then you're gonna cover the pan with a foil. After that, you're gonna bake the flan for between 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1 hour and 40 minutes into the water bath. You know it's gonna be ready once you put a stick in the middle of the flan and it comes out clean. So I'm gonna leave in the fridge overnight, and I'm gonna try it tomorrow morning and I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. That we have to melt the caramel before it will be ready to unmold. So let's melt the caramel now. Is it really heavy?
Just take it in one go.
You can see all the caramel going to the sides. Look at this caramel. Look at it.
What a lovely golden colour.
Beautiful color caramel.